Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zebra, either a ZD620 series or 420 series. I'll put all of the applicable series numbers in the description. But anyways, and you were wondering how to use the reset button, you might be coming across some kind of troubleshooting issues where it's not connecting or not printing or not working. And you see that there's a reset button on the bottom and you're not sure, it's right on the bottom in the middle that you have to poke with a paper clip, and you're not really sure what to do and what it means when you push the buttons. So basically, this is just to explain what it does. There's basically three different things that can happen when you push the reset button on the bottom of the printer. The first one is if you press it and let go within 1 second, nothing will happen. It won't actually do anything. If you push it between 1 and 5 seconds, the printer will reset and the printer will reset with a printer configuration label printed. It'll show you what all the configurations are. It's not going to actually delete any configurations. It's just going to reset and show you what the configurations are. If you hold it between 6 and 10 seconds, then this will actually reset everything to its factory configurations, and the network configuration label is going to be printed as it's reset to its defaults. Now, if you hold it too long, if you hold it more than 10 seconds, it will just cancel it out, like with the 0 to 1. So if you feel like you've held it too long than you want to, you can just keep holding it more than 10 seconds, and it will cancel everything out.